Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to do personalization on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. At first, just go ahead and right click on your desktop. After that, just click on personalize. Then from here, you can change the theme. For example, mine is in this white theme right now. I can change it to black or I can change it to something else. But I prefer this, so I'm just gonna keep this. And after that, if you want, you can also change the background image to whatever you like, or you can change the color. From here, you can change the accent color to whatever you want. You can either keep it manual or keep it automatic if you want. Or what you can do is come here and change the themes. You can also install and browse new themes from the Microsoft Store. And if you come back, you can also change the dynamic lighting from here. And you can also change the lock screen and the lock screen animation and the widgets you want on your lock screen. And from here, you can also change your text input, how your keyboard works and how the touch keyboard works and everything, if you want the voice or not. And you can change all these settings from here. And if you can also change your start, what you want to show in your start, how you want to show your start, change all of this from here. And you can also change the taskbar and the taskbar behavior from here, as you can see right here. And you can also install and download new fonts from here. You can also download fonts from the browser and drag and drop them here to install it. Or you can just go and see the device usage. As you can see, the device usage that you plan to share with Microsoft to personalize your experience. Turn this off, I recommend, because they steal your data like this. And basically that is it. And that is how to do personalization on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.